Hey, what's up guys? It's Gabriel the Armor Player here today with Demonian, and already invited him. So yeah, welcome to Micro Battles guys, and hope you enjoy this video. Please leave a like and make sure hit that like. Yes, I'm gonna play. Demonian. You ready? Demonian, you ready? Man. Demonian. 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 No guys, I'm gonna buy mobility kit. Oh yeah guys, knockback kit last time it was just 400 and mobility is 500 now. Change, man. He's not in his conscious. Oh man, I'm gonna protect him. I'll protect you by digging your feet. Come on. Man. Ah. Okay, let's get serious. I'm gonna be quiet for a while, guys, because I'm gonna be serious and playing. Come on, man, put the dirt, put the dirt, put the dirt, put the dirt. Man, what is this guy doing? Oh, finally. Come on, build it. That guy is mining combo, so. Oh. Woo. Nice. Can I reach him? Oh, great. Ah. Man, that one hit. Hello, you're gonna die. Oh wait. No. Oh man. I'm burning. I'm burning. I'm burning. I'm burning. I'm burning. Help. I'm burning. I'm burning. I'm burning. Help. Oh yeah, the fire has changed, right? Like, I'm burning. I'm burning. Oh yeah guys, make sure to watch my channel and hopefully you can do this. Sneak, go to this, there. I'm flying, but I can jump. And if I sneak, I just jump. Oh man, this is so awesome. Demonian. Check out my channel. Ganito lang siguro siguro ng ano sabi nila. Ngayon gusto namin tumulong hate him.
Kami ngayon sa edad na mga anak namin, college na, yung marami lang
Then,
gastos.
jump.
Kung yun lang ibigay, kanila, we are sorry.
See?
Kung gusto nila, they want to be
Man, it works on
patriotic. The problem
everybody.
here is that it's the necessity.
Malamang magbubuo din agad-agad si Duterte ng mga taong nauna na niyang nabigyan ng pwesto.
Haha.
With finality about our choices, maybe sa wala ko rin ako, grabe dahil may mga ako dito. Kaya ko na lang dyan. I like to avoid media. So, sabihin ko na. So, dito ka lang, di palit na lang kayo. Parang gano'n.
Let's play micro.
Sa pagpili at pagkuha ng mga tao, sabi ni Duterte, siya lang ang nagpapasya at walang nakakabulong kung sino ang
Man,
gagawin ng miyembro ng
he's so
kanyang
tuned
gabinete.
in all the time. Get
Kanilang interest,
your
connected
kid.
with this, connected with that. I need to investigate. Ilang asawa niya, tatlo ba, dalawa ba, with be conflict and later on, no,
Hirap umanumalat si Duterte ng tatao sa trade and industry at sa mga anisang ayon sa kanya ay sobra ang korupsyon. BIR, Customs, Immigration at LTO. Masigurado kanya, lalo sa pwesto niya, lalo na sa Customs at Immigration.
i-abolis ko na para wala wala talaga ako nakita.
May bakala pa siya sa mga pulis at politiko na sangkot sa illegal na droga.
India is
Let's play then.
at Manila. Manila, maraming pulis o asinto drugs. Sigurado ako yan. At sinabi ko naman sa inyo na mientras may panahon pa na maklaritas,
play then.
kayo.
Huwag na din anyang umapila
Come on, man.
mga polisiya niya sa Davao
If you say
na
no.
bansa, gaya ng curfew, firecracker ban at cigarette at liquor ban. Malaki namang security risk ayon sa iba. Ang plano ni Duterte kapag bantay sarado na siya ng Presidential Security Group. Sabi ni Digong, allergic siya sa mga susunod-sunod sa kanya.
Wala pa yan. Di sila na lang magpresidente ng ulo. So, doon ako, targetin mo yung sa likod, sabihin mo likod, security na lang, sumakwat ako sa iyo, it could not be compromised, improve or may mga innovations tayo.
Oh man. Oh man. I'm running. I'm running. Oh man. I got my sword. Lol. Oh man. I'm gonna hide.
Hiyaan niya sa pagpunta sa proclamation ng NDOC, pupunta lang siya sa Manila sa June 30, araw ng kanyang panunumpa bilang ikalabing-anim na Pangulo ng Pilipinas. Doris Vigoria,
Oh, did he even see me?
Davao City.
Oh man.
Rinig ng magnitude 4.9 na
Just
nito
gonna
ang
hit.
ilang bahagi ng
Man.
Northern Luzon
Man.
kanina mag-aalas 8 ng umaga. Ayon sa PBOX, naitala ang sentro ng Lindol 62 kilometro sa kanluran ng Santa Ilocos Sur. Naramdaman ang intensity
Why can't I
sa
get
mga bayan ng
stoned, guys?
Peñablanca, Cagayan, Pasukin, Ilocos Norte at Sinaip, Ilocos Sur.
Pneumonia.
Ito naman sa Cagayan habang extensive
Again.
one sa Dagupan City at Pangasinan. Wala namang naiulat na nasaktan o napinsala dahil sa nito.
Bumuhos naman ang ulan sa ilang bahagi po ng Metro Manila mula kagabi. At nagpasa ang daan, nagdulot kagad ito ng aksidente sa may Mandaluyong at Quezon City. Nagpapatrol si Francis Pobe.
Bumuhos ang malakas na ulan sa malaking bahagi ng Quezon City. Nasa bandang inilabas na heavy rainfall advisory ng Pag-asa bago magdating gabi. Nasilan pa ito ng ikalawang warning bandang alas 2 ng madaling araw. Ayon sa Pag-asa, bungkol ito ng pagkulog at pagbigat na naka-apekto sa Metro Manila.
Oh, man, what?
Basang-basa ang paligid ng Kasibulan Avenue. Pinakakalsada sa bahagi ng Aurora Boulevard. Dahil pa kagagawa lang ng release. Ramdam din ang malakas na bugso ng ulan sa Pasig. Sa Manila, umawot naman hanggang gutter ang tubig sa Taft Avenue at Ermita. Pero mabilis din namang tumubo ang mga pasaherong pauwi.
Come on, man. Where is his
Nakula ng sinabi ng pag-asa na maaari nang pumasok ang tag-ulan ngayong huling linggo ng Mayo. Dahil sa pag-ulan, nahirapan ang mula sila ang magaling sa bus ang kanyang kotse sa EDSA Mandaluyong. Ito naman ang bahagi ng batasan sa Mateo Road. Pasado alas 4 ng madaling araw, bumabalik sa daan ang isang nasirang truck.
Oh no! GG! Man.
Maraming na aksidente. Mano-mano na munang tinanggal ang karga nito. Saka itinulong
Now let's put an in.
mag-aalas 6 ng umaga na. Muling nabusa ng karga. At sa normal ang daloy ng trafiko.
What is he doing? Oh man.
Alamin natin kung bakit inulan ng malakas ang Metro
Bro.
Manila at Central Luzon. Live mula sa ABS-CBN Weather Center, kasama po natin si Michelle Ong. Michelle, umpisa na ang ulan? Bernadette, direktara na ng pag-asa ang simula ng pag-ulan. Kaya asaang maging mas madalas ang pag-ulan, lalo na sa western section ng Luzon at Visayas
Bye.
na apektado na ng habagat o southwest monsoon.
Oh man.
Don't do that. Gaya ng nangyari kanina, pero pinakamalakas pa rin ang mga ulan sa hapon at gabi. Para sa lagay ng panahon bukas, malaking bahagi ng Luzon ang uulanin, lalo na ang western at northern section.
My bow skills are
Ang moderate to heavy rains sa
awesome, guys. My bow skills are awesome. You should have put an arrow kit. Why is he not moving? Why you not moving? He made yellow. Oh great. Don't you dare, you noob. No, don't kill my teammate. Don't you dare kill my teammate. Man, I made my nude. Wow. What a good team. Oh man. Are you serious? Come on. Seriously? Oh yeah, I haven't seen Sean for a while. Sean Snow. Tell me guys if he's running his own YouTube account. Say hi, YT. Oh man. Invite X Dominic. Oh man, who's this guy? Oh, I know your skin. You derpy me. Oh jeez, great. One, two, three. Oh man. 3. Makeup. Bella Isabel. Oh man.
Enjoy free
Yay.
per sachet.
Breakfast time, Jose. Here's your morning
Oh
drink.
wait,
And
how
tomorrow.
many coins do I?
Alam niyo ba na 4 out of 5 days
Nine.
natulog sa energy? Energy gap yan. Kaya para sa pamilya ko, within 5 of energy. Bigyan mo na
Must
5
be
of space niya.
invite Demonium.
That help energize your body and mind.
Come on, accept it. Da, 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 da. What is this guy doing? What you doing? What you doing? Oh man. 360 no scope. Oh man. Oh, oh yeah. Okay. Oh man. What? Oh. I saw that. He killed my friend and me. Hey, what's up, bro? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Isabel.
Look good, feel good.
Oh man.
That means like 100 calories left by the end of that.
Push your button. Oh man. Oh. I'm gonna 360 no scope. Oh yeah, man. I'm gonna party. Mine.
What makes Dove Bar different?
Invite and Isabel.
Take the Dove 7-day test. Para sa Filipino protection siya, ang
Oh yeah. Let's play. But first, say hi to Whitey. Oh man, I saw that. He just fell. She just fell. Man. You can't use your kick in the same time. So I'll wait till I get a lot. Oh man, that's the hard one. Oh man, we gotta protect him.
Sa mga hinanang tulak ng droga, tila nakahanap naman ang kakampi si Tanawan City Mayor
Bye-bye, bro.
kay incoming President Rodrigo Duterte. Nagpapatulong
Oh, good. Yeah. And recording. You know. You subs to me. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. So it's Whitey Young Boys and Dandy CZ. 2 subs. I'm gonna check my channel. Me too. Check my channel. Korea space TEP 64 subscribers.
Kailangan umano na inisip na paraan ng pili para mabawasan kung hindi man tuluyang pasok po ang droga sa kanilang lungsod.
What? I saw that Preston last
Kahapon
name.
naman ang hapon, naglabas na ng findings sa Commission on Human Rights Region 4, hinggil sa dalawang taon ng
Okay, let's time to play.
Taiwan City.
I wanna waste
Hindi umano niya ito
attention
nakatanggap.
more.
Israel Manasa,
I wanna play. What?
ang pulis na nagbigay naman ng 50,000
What?
pesos na
Why
cash
can't
kay
I?
Cebu City Mayor Elected Tomas Osmeña sa mga
Oh
pulis.
man.
Hindi matapos silang mapatay ang isang hinihingan ng
399?
noong Huwebes.
Why can't I play? That's it. Gonna quit. Go back. I mean not that. Quit.
Special
Go
Operations
back.
Task Force o KAISO, ito ay matapos silang mapatay ang isang hinihinalaang big-time drug user sa bypass operation sa barangay Babagdor, Cebu City noong Huwebes ng madaling araw. Bukod sa papuyang pera sa pagkakapatay ng kriminal, magbibigay din si
Now
Osmeña
it's
ng legal
better.
assistance sa mga pulis na makakasuhan sa kanilang pagganap sa
Anyone, anyone.
Dalaga sa Rio Osmeña ang KAISO.
Stevion Fred. Oh, I told you guys. Preston.
So this warning goes not only to the drug lords, but also to the policemen who are involved. Ikinatuwa ng KAISO ang
What?
natanggap na pabuya.
What? We're
I would
not.
like to inform everyone na
Oh,
the
great.
25,000 will go to the equipment of my men. The 25,000 will go to St. Vincent Ferrer in San Fernando. Kumpiyansa si Mayor-elect Osmeña na bababa ang supply ng mga ipinagbabawal na droga dahil sa reward system.
Oh man, how did it burn down? Oh, great. Stevion. Have a nice day, Miss Lady. Have a nice day. What? Oh man, we just went flying. Oh no, I'm gonna die. And I died. I'm gonna buy mobility. Yes. I have all tricks. How did I add this space?
Noong 1990, nilusog ng Allied Forces ang Iraq. Ikinwento ni Virgin Group founder Richard Branson sa kanyang libro na may nainitan from hostage na nagdadalang tao na nataon ay
And
Pilipino.
jump.
Ito
Oh
ang
yeah,
ating
make it.
buhay ni Branson para magkaroon ng tawag na tumulong sa iba.
Oh, it's not.
Hindi dito natapos ang ugnayan ni Branson sa mga Pinoy, lalo na sa kalapit sa mga Pilipino nang tumama ang bagyong Yolanda. Naglikom ng pera
Oh,
ang
man.
United para sa mga tinamaan ng bagyo.
Worst fall ever.
Dito, pinanumpa ng mga
Oh
relief goods
man.
ang Virgin Airlines na papuntang Pilipinas na nasa nakaschedule para sa regular maintenance. Virgin Airlines tried to win all young Canadian aircraft.
Hello.
But they have been radically transformed already in this.
Love.
Inapaso mga isinusulong ni Branson ay ang
Oh great, no, 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 please don't.
Ito ang ibabahagi ni Branson sa isang araw na pagkikita niya dito sa bansa.
Oh, do you have to always do that? Oh yes, see here. This way. No. So I need carpet. Just one carpet.
Mapapanood ng live si Branson ngayong
I don't like hackers. You will go away
ABS
if you're a hacker. And give me this carpet, please, please. Oh yeah, thank you. Okay. Oh man. Oh yeah. See ya. Oh man, I'm gonna run. Oh man. Oh yeah. Jumping on. Jumping on. Jumping on. Jumping on. Jumping on. Swarm on. Ouch. What the? Oh yes. Hey, don't kill me if you have arrow kit. Oh man. Ooh. Oh man. Oh man. Hello, 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 hello. Oh man, oh man. Ah,
Kailangan niya ng hardware.
GG. What is it? GG, man. Don't want a minute. Oh man, what is happening here? I'm so... Oh.
Wala pa eh. Sana meron. Gusto ko yun. Gusto ko yung thought na yun eh.
Hey, don't. Hey, don't. Don't shoot me, William. Don't shoot me. Don't shoot me. Don't shoot me. Don't shoot me. Oh man. Eh. 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 What the fuck? I'm hitting anyone. Anyone in my way. Yes. Oh. Made it here. So. Oh man. Oh great. Woo. Ah. Oh great. Oh no. Can move. Mobility is my favorite kit ever. As in ever. Like ever. Oh man. But I always fall. Oh, ever. Oh man. Woo! Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. I'm at the star. I'm at the star. I'm at the star. I'm gonna shoot you. Come on, hit. Doesn't hit. Okay. Maybe I am bad at it. Oh. Oh man, what? The teammates are gone. No. I'm gonna hide. I'm gonna hide.
Start na ngayon, Lex. Hindi na reschedule.
Oh, jungle circle. Wow. Dude. Wonder where will that fail? Just gonna chill in here with them. I'll be quiet in a moment, guys. So happy, good. What? I earned an achievement, serious?
Sabi mo sa akin sa mga baho? Sabi mo sa
I'm gonna put this. Okay, there. What did I achievement?
Ano ginagawa sa school? Lagi akong aligagaan stress. Nadadagdagan tuloy yung wrinkles ko. Take Presta, the world's fastest that helps fight the effects of stress. Now I feel like young and beautiful. I look old but still old since Presta. So I said I'm gonna be $1 billion and you can do anything you want.
This is gonna be a long battle. Oh man. Oh man, cake. One face. Oh man. Who the heck are you? Don't sword, please. Oh man. Ooh. Ah. Just flying around. Feeling the heat. I got a crafting table. Look. Man. So happy. We're gonna eat cake. Thank you for the food. Oh man. Just jump in. Hey, Boniface. Boniface. Oh man. Great. And just going there again like crazy. I'm crazy. Oh yeah. Time to slay some kills. Like jumping on. Oh, if you're gonna do that, I'm just gonna jump over and kill you all. Woo! See you later, Boniface. Boniface. Oh man. Oh man. Boniface. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Go in the lava and run! Oh man. Oh no. Wait, why? Why? It's a better mobility. Okay, what is this? Speed jump boost free? Are you kidding me? Is there even a jump boost? Oh wait. Hello. Get shotted. Hit in the face. Oh man, I'm gonna die. Totally. Woo. This guy's doing. Come on, come on. Let's kick some ass, shall we? Get the freaking out of here. You know, they think I'm a hacker. Oh, what? What the fudge? Oh! Oh, great. Get the freaking out of here. Go win the battle. Jump, 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 jump. Oh man, get the freaking out of here. Get the freaking out of here. Oh man. Hello, 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 hello. How can he reach me? Like, how can he reach me like that? Oh man. Get a ring in the head. What is wrong? Oh man. Oh man. I gotta run. Kill those guys. Oh. New York. City, come on. What the fuck? Oh, somebody hit me. Great. Wow, so happy. Wow. What guys? I killed 3 and I'm just 1. Kidding me? They should have win. But they didn't. Because this mobility kit is so OP. Man, give me that. That there. Eh, I need another one. Give me that. Hey, he breaked it. Oh man. Oh great. Woo! Oh man. Oh man. Ooh. Team. Ouch. How can he reach me like that? That's it. Why does that guy broken? Okay. Oh, Christmas tree. Christmas tree. Oh, they changed that too. Okay. Oh man. Jump it on. Jump. 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 Tut. 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 Let me in. Okay. And break this up.
Kasabay ng pagkasira ng masayang pamilya ay siya rin namang pagbungo ng kanilang kabuhayan. Kaya ipinangako ni CJ sa ina, ibabalik na ang lahat ng nawala.
Doing right.
Ano man ang hirap.
All we gotta do now is stone. Goes like stone.
Kung dati ay modelo siya sa mata ng kanyang mga
Oh my
kapwa
man is
pamilya,
not dying. Is that guy a hacker? I think he is.
ganap ng modelo siya sa pagrampa.
What is wrong with that guy?
Matapos makita ng kilalang international fashion designer na si Francis
Oh man,
Miguel ang
I'm
kanyang
doing.
larawan sa internet.
I think in terms of being a model, sabi siya, he has the right
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where's the 2 girls?
Sa kabila ng hirap at pagsubok, hindi sumuko si CJ at patuloy na lumalaban sa mga hamon ng buhay. Baon niya ang tibay na buo
Green.
para tuparin ang pangako sa pamilya.
This map is more bigger than the other ones.
Kasama po sa plano ni CJ ang hindi siya makapag-aral kasabay pa ng kanyang ina.
Ooh.
Tatlong anak ng
Boing.
pamilya na posibleng itulak ng Duterte administration o kaya sa mataas
Wow.
at Cashville Festival Best Actress
Oh
Cathy
man.
Rosette na pinatong nasa alapa pa rin ang pakiramdam sa pagpupulis ng
Okay.
Sihit!
Where are these guys at? Okay, let me see. Oh man. Hey, just living in a tree house here. Don't mind me, please. What a nice place to hide. There's 1, 2. The green guy died.
New Zealand, July 19th. Malaysia, tomorrow.
guys. Okay.
Cherry Blossom. Ngayon, nag-serve na. May bango ng Cherry Blossom Petal at fabric conditioner. Segulang ang bango na kakagana.
Where'd he go?
Cherry Blossom. 5 pesos lang.
4 more guys. Are they your teammates? Like, are they your blue? And jump boost 3. Oh, I do. Oh, there's a blue guy.
Move up to the party girl. Happy kapatid? Hindi ah. Happy na there, not anymore.
What's he gonna do? Is he gonna do something bad? Blue.
There's more to our play.
Blue.
Ay, pagmatay ka siya.
Blee?
Mas masaya siya.
Oh wait, oh no.
Para naman siya magpatita. Kailangan siya ng Academy Rated Hire. Kailangan kasi improved Sarah Hire. It has countless daily items.
Okay, that's
Saan siya na kailangan niya? Para
oh
lumas siya, maging na bigla.
green.
Improved Sarah with more
Next team.
benefits for small companies.
I believe there's dreams in everyone. Sa sibat, sa tapang,
Green.
sa puso. Sa lahat ng to, I'm a
Team.
Pagdating sa coffee, I am a believer in this greatness. There's good coffee, and there's greatest coffee. When I go to the drugstore, I always ask, should I take medical?
Blues coming
When I see
for ya.
expensive medicine, I say bye. Because I know I'm not right for it.
Blue.
Then
Eh.
yet when I found out about night less attractive, and I'm spending less than half of what I used to spend for my maintenance. I do not buy anything else. Am I right?
Oh man.
Finally, in black and white. Number one anti-stain deal. Get complete underarm care and prevent stains better than ordinary deals. Be in control. Give your man black and white. Give your man. It starts with you.
Hey, blue.
Kailangan mag-free sa aktividad. Bigyan sila ng bonus free for free month for a triple boost of
Name
benefits, energy, and immunity.
Look up.
Ang mga laban ni Venas, palabanin sa pamumuspos na pusukan.
Gulat kayo, no? Sakay! Konting kusok mo, paano puti na? 6 pesos ka.
Kapag hindi ikaw pa ay
Oh man. This has been a long fight. Just jump it out of the sea. Okay, he's in the tree, or maybe not. Blue, look up. Oh, 1v1v1.
Isa sa mga gustong tutukan ni incoming President Rodrigo Duterte ay ang family planning. At Christian, 3 child
Blue.
tatlong anak kada pamilya
Look
lamang.
at
Ayon naman sa Commission on
the
Population,
tree.
pero huwag tayo sa mata.
Oh man, where you going?
Hernandez.
Sam ang anak ni Celia sumuong
I'm just gonna jump, jump, jump.
panay sa
But he's not gonna listen. I'm just gonna
hindi madaling
shoot him.
pagkakasin ang 300 pisong kita kada araw ng asawang si Oscar. Diba? Diyan, diyan, ano, ang hindi,
Will he be discovered or not? Pretty sure he is green.
44,400 ang pinapananak o 1.7 million kada taon. Sa taya ng Commission on Population, 9 million pa ang madadagdag sa susunod na 6 na taon. Ang problema, mga pamilyang umaasa pa sa tulong ng gobyerno ang madaming mag-anak.
Come on, go up. Come on, go up. Go up. Go up.
Mainit na usapin ngayon ang planong three-child policy ni incoming President Rodrigo Duterte o pagkakaroon lamang ng tatlong anak kada pamilya. Pero ayon sa Commission on Population, hindi ito pwedeng gawing mandatory o sapilitan batay sa mga nakasaad sa reproductive health law.
Kailangan alam ng kamadalian ang lahat ng choices niya. Pagka sabihin mo three-child policy, parang wala na siyang pagpipilian.
Panukala ng POPCOM, bigyan ng insentibo ang mga pamilyang susunod sa three-child policy para maengganyo ang ibang gumaya.
Yes.
Nilinaw naman ni Duterte tuwekson lang ang pagkakaroon ng 3 anak.
I don't know about the people to follow.
Hey, blue.
They're suggesting that you
In 3.
Paniwala pa ni Duterte, kailangan magpatupad ng mas agresibong family planning para mapagkasya ang yaman ng bansa. Pero mukhang makakalaban na naman niya ang Simbahang Katolika.
Come on. Kill that guy, then I'm gonna kill you. It's almost sunrise.
is the right thing to do. Based on the teachings of God's teachings.
Matinding lumaban din noon sa RHO ang Simbahang Katolika. Magandang ekonomiya ang ipinagmalaki ng Aquino administration sa nakalipas na 6 na taon. Pero reklamo ng marami, hindi ito nararamdaman ng ordinaryong Pilipino. Ayon sa Commission on Population, kung makokontrol ang population, posibleng maramdaman na ang unang na
Oh man. What do you want from me? Hey, what do you want from me, man? Demonium. I'm gonna go on Columbia, guys.
What we call a Mindanao block.
Just
One
once.
Mindanao, one voice. Kasi very historical yung nangyari, no? The president is from Mindanao and speaker is from Mindanao.
Bukas sa pagkakaba ng Covenant, iniwan din na mahigit 20 sa kanila ang mga dati nilang partido para sumumpa sa PDP laban. Kabilang na dito si San Representative Manny Zamora, Ruel Pacquiao at ilang miyembro ng Liberal Party. Mula sa 3 miyembro ng partido, may supermajority ng PDP laban sa Kamara. Una na nakipag-alyansa ang NP, NPC, NUP at lakas CMD. Ayon kay Alvarez, kailangan mo lang manumpa bilang miyembro ng PDP laban ang LP members na gustong sumama sa mayorya.
I think it would be best na sumali na lang sa PDP lang. Anyway, they're willing to support the majority, so why not?
Kahit sakali maging Speaker of the House si Alvarez muna yung mapalit ng forma ng gobyerno. Mula presidential sa Federal Form of Government, mapabalik ng death penalty, pag-aalisan sa ng mga tapuhan ng kumpanya.
That's why mobility is better.
Priority ng ating presidente, siyempre yun ang bibigyan natin ng suporta. So
no? Dahil gusto natin ang pagbabago for bukod sa House of Representatives, sumuporma din sa liderato ng Senado at kaisa-isang miyembro ng PDP na nagpagkakalaw na si Senator Aquilino Coco Pimentel III na sinusuportahan din ng partido. Jay Ruiz, ABS-CBN News.
So just 2 blocks from 1. Oh wait. Oh man. Oh. Oh. Wait. One more. Oh man. What a shot. Oh man. What? 1v1. Oh, from someone that is look like my skin, but it's not. Oh man, jump it, jump away. Jumping down, oh yeah man. Get the freaking out of here. Oh, sucker. Oh, get up here. So lag. Oh. It's a little Rex PvP. Oh. Oh man. Ouch. Eh. Oh yeah. Ow. Wee. Oh man. One is dead yet. This is gonna be my last game, and everyone. Last game. What? 360 no scope. Oh man. If I did that this episode, I would be so. Oh man. These guys. What? Happened? Oh man, but hey guys, thank you for watching this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Please do big by thumbs up. Of course, subscribe to my channel and Astro123's channel, and also to the guys you must have seen the channel. So yeah, so I'll see you guys later, and hope you enjoyed this video again. Please leave a like and subscribe. Bye guys.